A trial currently unfolding in Colorado is raising questions about whether former President Donald Trump should be disqualified from the 2024 ballot under the 14th Amendment. This legal challenge stems from a lawsuit filed by a liberal group in Washington and a group of Colorado voters who argue that Trump's involvement in the events of January 6 potentially violates the 14th Amendment, thus disqualifying him. In this trial, an extremism expert, Pete Simi, with over 2 decades of experience in the field, took the stand to provide crucial testimony. Simi asserted that Donald Trump's rhetoric ultimately played a significant role in the attack on the Capitol, particularly highlighting Trump's references to 1776 in the context of overturning the election results. Simi's testimony delved into various instances of Trump promoting violent rhetoric, including his infamous "very fine people" comment after the deadly Charlottesville rally, his encouragement of law enforcement to treat protesters roughly, and his provocative "will be wild" tweet leading up to the January 6 rally. According to Simi, far-right extremists felt emboldened by Trump's candidacy from as early as 2015. They perceived him as a champion of their grievances, believing he spoke their language and addressed their concerns. Curiously, Simi is associated with Chapman University, which was formerly the workplace of John Eastman, an attorney involved in the effort to overturn the election result. Eastman, a well-known conservative lawyer, has faced legal troubles related to the Georgia RICO case and retired from Chapman shortly after January 6. The trial proceedings have garnered attention, though Trump himself has not attended in person and has remained relatively silent about the Colorado lawsuit. His attorney introduced a video during the trial that featured other Democrats, including President Biden, using the term "fighting." Notably, Donald Trump has faced a similar disqualification challenge in Michigan, where he is vehemently contesting efforts to prevent his name from appearing on the ballot. The trial is also expected to feature testimony from Gerard Magliosa, an expert on the 14th Amendment, who had previously testified in a hearing seeking to disqualify Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene from the ballot for similar reasons, although those efforts were unsuccessful. Moreover, another hearing is scheduled in Minnesota this week, where another lawsuit seeks to exclude Trump from the state's ballot. The plaintiffs in the Colorado lawsuit consist of Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington, CREW, a liberal group, and some Colorado voters, including former Republican elected officials in the state. Their lawsuit contends that Trump's actions following his oath to uphold the Constitution as President of the United States, including his role in the January 6 insurrection, warrant his disqualification under the 14th Amendment.